Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Come take a test drive today.